Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins, where we help you get smarter than your competition. Today, we're examining a truly significant event in the artificial intelligence space, Meta's $2 billion acquisition of Manus AI. This analysis is built on expert commentary that appeared on LinkedIn around December 29, 2025. What we've just witnessed is a major event that signals a fundamental shift in the AI industry. We're seeing a decisive move away from the simple hype of what AI could do toward the concrete reality of what it is doing to generate substantial revenue. And this is the number at the center of it all. Meta Platforms has just committed over $2 billion to acquire a startup based in Singapore. A figure of this magnitude isn't just a purchase price, it's a declaration of strategic urgency that tells a much larger story. So let's get into the specifics of this deal. This wasn't a typical acquisition. It's quite rare for a major U.S. technology firm to acquire a prominent Asian AI company, and that fact alone points to a new dynamic in the global competition for AI dominance. The facts themselves are straightforward. Meta acquired Manus AI for more than $2 billion. But what's really telling here is the timeline. Negotiations were wrapped up in a matter of days. This indicates it wasn't an exploratory process. It was a swift, decisive strike with an exceptionally clear objective: to integrate these AI agents across all of their products. Now, to fully appreciate the rationale behind this move, we need to look beyond the technology itself. This was a calculated business decision, a purchase based not on promise, but on proven success and very tangible revenue. This quote from Justin Gerard perfectly encapsulates the new market reality. The era of valuing companies based on potential and hype is fading. Today, both investors and acquirers are demanding tangible results. They're looking for proven product-market fit. And Manus AI is a case study in just that. The company was already operating at an annual revenue run rate of over $125 million. It achieved $100 million in ARR in an astonishing 8 months, and it already cultivated a base of millions of active users. These aren't metrics of potential. They are metrics of execution. The underlying business logic, then, is unmistakable. After investing tens of billions of dollars in infrastructure and talent, Meta is now pivoting its strategy. It is shifting toward acquiring established, revenue-generating products that have already demonstrated significant market traction. This brings us to the technological core of the acquisition. The key here is to understand the critical evolution from what we know as AI assistants to the far more advanced and autonomous concept of AI agents. Let's be precise about the terminology. An AI agent is best understood as an autonomous system. Its defining characteristic is the ability to independently plan and execute complex, multi-step tasks, all without requiring direct human intervention at every stage. This comparison really clarifies the distinction. On one side, you have the AI assistant, which essentially acts as a sophisticated search bar that responds and informs. On the other side, you have the AI agent. This functions more like a digital worker. It doesn't just provide information, it actually executes tasks and completes entire workflows on your behalf. As Ibrahim B. so concisely states, the difference boils down to one critical word: execution. Meta isn't just buying another chatbot, it is buying a platform for action. Now, let's broaden our view to these strategic implications. This acquisition isn't merely about adding a new feature. It's about constructing a powerful, long-term competitive advantage, what's often referred to as a moat. Guillermo Flor observes that powerful foundational models are quickly becoming table stakes, simply the minimum requirement to compete. The next durable advantage, the next moat, will be built by owning the execution layer. That is, controlling how AI actually acts within a product ecosystem. And here, you can see Meta's complete three-part strategy laid out. First, they have world-class foundational models, like Llama. Second, they have unparalleled distribution to billions of users. Manus AI provides the critical third piece, the execution layer, that connects their powerful models to their vast user base with tools that can actually get things done. It is crucial to grasp this point. Acquiring Manus AI is not a simple feature update. It represents a fundamental change to the operating model of Meta's core platforms, transforming them from passive hubs for content consumption into active platforms for task completion. So this high-level strategic analysis has direct and immediate implications for you as a working professional. It signals a significant shift in the future of work and, consequently, in the skills that will be most valuable. This leads us to a provocative and essential question. As AI agents become increasingly capable of executing complex work, what then is the unique advantage that a human professional brings to the table? The answer, as articulated by Joshua B. Lee, is not to attempt to compete with AI in task execution. Instead, the true advantage will be found in learning how to effectively work with and direct these powerful new systems. What this means is that the required professional skill set is evolving. The value is no longer in simply prompting an AI, but in directing it. It's shifting from using a single AI tool to orchestrating entire systems of agents, from asking questions to managing complex projects. The human role is elevated from that of an operator to one of a strategist, providing the critical layer of oversight and judgment. Thank you for joining us. This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. We recommend that you subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel. And please, like, comment, and share this video to help us reach a wider audience.